this machine, schaerer prime, the water is not coming out. So the problem of this is the tubes. You have to remove everything in here, including this one, that one. Okay, we'll remove and show you. Here you go. Sometimes the problem is blockage here. As you can see, you have to remove that one and clean, and also this one, and also the Y connector going here and going here. Okay, let's use these tools to clean this blower. You can see it's hard, it is black. Okay. Let's try it. Let's put it back. Let's try it. Yep. Now there is. Okay. See? Simple. Now we have to close the machine and get it out. Thank you for watching. Bye.